Yeah, my name is Earl Brito. I am the ruling district vice governor of our Lions district, which encompasses the whole of Goa as well as 12 revenue districts of my neighboring Karnataka state. We decided to try something new as far as the vaccination was going because we were having an issue at the primary health center wherein the two lines of those who were going to get themselves tested and those who were going to get themselves vaccinated were both intertwining. So we shifted them here. There was the testing, and here we had our own vaccination center through the village panchayat of Kandolim and our Sarpanch, Blaise Fernandez, as well as our local MLA, Michael Lobo, who came forward and asked us to do this through the Lions clubs, and we very happily agreed because they were right up our street in terms of our motto of serving. Well, actually, it was a decision which was taken by the entire team of the village panchayat of Kandolim, our Lion members, because we had a lovely setup here and all we needed was a small little shamiana, kind of a pandal, which basically was being used at the time when the pitch wasn't being used because everybody was on the lockdown and we weren't allowed to come here. And it was a nice place because it was green, it had a lot of greenery around, and it also gave us a lot of space because we needed the space for people to maintain their social distancing levels here. We have 2 or 3 initiatives which we have started. One is the drive-in vaccination, wherein people who are seniors, they come to our vaccination center, but we keep them in their vehicle and we go outside, vaccinate them in the car, so that they don't need to walk in and be with the others who at times could be infected and could pass the infection on. Well, if there were more vaccination drives on football pitches, I'm sure with the fact that Goans have got an inherent love for football and have a kind of a twinning with football pitches, that it would really enforce more people coming in for vaccinations. Well, the Lions Club is an international organization. We are a service organization founded in 1917. We are 104 years old. Our motto is "We serve," and our international president this year, Lion Douglas Alexander, has come up with a slogan of service from the heart. And that is exactly what we are doing here, because at this point in time, considering the kind of issues we have faced with pandemic situation and lockdowns, and the fact that we have actually gone out, risked our lives, all of our Lions, and helped people, football can boost it. Obviously, it has been a great initiative of the Public Health Services of Goa, of our current health minister and the entire teams from the public health centers all over our hospitals, which have had to go out, take care of the issues, because they themselves were again very vulnerable. And as you know, I mean, the pandemic has been horrendous in parts of the world. But yes, I'm sure football and pitches here will definitely give people more of an opportunity to come forward and try and take the vaccine as quickly as possible so that we can really eradicate this pandemic. Football आमच्या गोंयकाराच्या रक्तान आसा सारकें.